Did you know that right now, the American economy is at a crossroads? From skyrocketing egg prices to debates over tax cuts, the decisions being made in Washington could directly impact your wallet. But here's the kicker. While some policies promise to put more money in your pocket, others might leave you scratching your head. So, what's really going on? Stick around, because today, we're breaking down the latest stimulus plan by the Trump administration, how they could affect you, and what it all means for the future of the American economy. Let's dive in. Hello, everyone. First, let's set the stage. The Trump administration is pushing a series of policies aimed at boosting the American economy. But here's the twist. While some of these moves are designed to help the American people, others are causing a lot of skepticism. Take tariffs, for example. The U.S. is imposing new tariffs on goods from other countries, with the goal of protecting American industries. Sounds great, right? Well, not so fast. These tariffs could also lead to higher prices on everyday items. Think egg prices, housing costs, and more. So, while the intention is to strengthen the economy, the short-term impact might feel like a punch to the wallet. Now, let's talk about your paycheck. Over the past year, wages have grown by about 4.1%. But here's the catch. For many Americans, that's not enough. In fact, 59% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, with little to no savings to fall back on. And if you're relying on credit card usage to make ends meet, you're not alone. The average American is carrying thousands of dollars in credit card debt, with sky-high credit card interest rates eating away at their income. So, what's being done to help? Let's break it down. Here's some good news. The IRS has already issued 3.2 million tax refunds this year, with the average refund sitting at $1,928. And while that's lower than previous years, experts predict the average could climb to over $3,000 as more people file their taxes. For many, this refund is a lifeline, helping cover bills, reduce debt, or even boost savings. The Trump administration is also proposing no taxes on overtime income and no taxes on tips. That's right. If you're working extra hours or earning tips, you could keep more of your hard-earned cash. Sounds amazing, right? Well, there's a catch. Some worry that employers might adjust wages or cut back on hiring to offset these changes. So, while the idea is promising, the execution could be tricky. Now, let's talk about two more proposals that could make a big difference. First, the Trump administration is exploring ways to eliminate taxes on Social Security benefits. For retirees, this could mean hundreds or even thousands of dollars in extra income each year. Second, there's a push to cap credit card interest rates at 10%. For millions of Americans drowning in credit card debt, this could be a game changer. Imagine paying less in interest and more toward your actual balance. But here's the thing. Banks aren't too happy about this idea, and it's still unclear whether it'll gain enough support to become law. So, what does all of this mean for the future? Well, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, policies like the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act have already provided relief for many. On the other hand, rising tariffs and potential cuts to programs like Medicare and Medicaid could create new challenges. The goal is clear: to strengthen the American economy and put more money in your pocket. But here's the reality. It's going to take time. In the short term, expect some turbulence. Prices may rise and businesses may adjust their strategies. But in the long term, the hope is that these changes will help Americans thrive. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you or sparked some questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, take care and stay informed.